පුළුවන් ප්‍රමාණය කොට හොඳලට මතක් කළා. Right. So again, I'll explain. So this is the situation of dynamic friction. So earlier in the previous one, we said that the maximum friction available between two surfaces is the limiting friction. According to the values, limiting frictional force was 20 newtons, and when we apply the 20 newtons, started to move. When it is starting to move, when it is moving actually, the limiting frictional forces values slightly reduced up to 90. So the dynamic friction is slightly less than the limiting friction, right? So that is what explained here. So if the surface is unchanged, imagine you are pushing a vehicle on the surface of a road, right? When the wheels are started to spin, the force that you have to apply becomes slightly less. And if you are pushing it along the same road, the frictional force will not be changed. It will be the same value until the surface is changed. So that's how we can explain the dynamic friction. And again, even though your applied force is different, dynamic frictional force will be the same value. Okay, up to that we have discussed. Now we go back to the tube. Factors affecting the limiting frictional force. Now, there are two factors affecting the limiting frictional force. In your book, it is not very much clearly mentioned, but here we are going to write it because it is very important. The first one, the first factor, nature of the surfaces in contact. Nature of the surfaces in contact. Second one, normal reaction. Nature of the surfaces in contact and the normal reaction. So those are the two factors affecting the limiting frictional force or the friction. So you can write 1 and 2. These are the two factors. So I'm changing the view because for the recording, if I don't do this, it will be a small image which the audience can't see. So that's why then and there I take the whole thing into the screen. There are some other videos also. If you wish, you can watch them for some other lessons. I put some videos in the previous year when the corona comes. We did videos for that. Okay, again back to the tube. So I think the time is almost up now, only 4 minutes. So I suggest we can continue from this second activity next day because in between I may have to stop it. So therefore, put a mark. We shall be doing from this place onward. This is page 3. In page 3 activity we have to do. Okay, I think that's enough. So we shall meet next day. I am not sure about the day. So we have done 2 days for this week, and I'll put the recordings today. Okay. Till then, see you. Bye bye.